Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I will be sharing with you the best moisturizing lotion and as well whitening lotion. Yes, most lotion neither moisturize but don't brighten. They brightens but leave your skin feel dry or freaky. So today I decided to share with you the best brightening and moisturizing lotion. This is RDL hand and body lotion. Yes, it comes in 3 different types, but today I'm going to talk about this particular one, the papaya whitening body lotion. I choose this particular lotion because one, it tackles 2 problems at once: dryness and uneven skin tone. 2, the ingredients are natural. Yes, it's a natural brightening ingredient, contain vitamin E for deep moisturizing. 3, it is very affordable. You are not breaking the bank. It is just at 8,000 naira in the market, and I have it as well. So guys, before I share with you how to use this lotion to get a maximum result, let me talk about the key benefits of this particular lotion. Yes, this lotion is packed with deep moisturizer that actually penetrates your skin, not just surface level hydrating. This goes deep layers of your skin. No more freak skin, no more dry skin, no more patchy skin, and your skin stays soft and moisturized all day long. For the whitening and brightening ingredient, it contains papaya extract, natural brightening ingredient that helps to even out your skin tone, also even out dark spots on your skin. For some of us that has dark spots, this particular product helps to even out dark spots on the skin. It contains vitamin E, which helps to protect your skin and enhance your natural glowing skin. Now let me take 4 comments on those who have used this lotion. The first person said, "My skin is gone, it is so soft right now." The second person said, "I can finally wear shorts without being self-conscious." The third person says, "My even skin tone has improved so much." And the last person said, "This is the only lotion that actually works for me." So guys, as you can see, the lotion is very good. Yes, for some of us that have a sensitive skin, or for some of us that have tried a lot of skincare products, especially lotion, has tried a lot of lotion and it didn't work for them, you can quickly go for this particular lotion because it's moisturized and it brightens the skin as well. It doesn't contain harsh chemical. It's a natural product that can moisturize your skin and can brighten your skin as well. If you're having a dry skin, this lotion is for you. So if you have been the person that have tried a lot of body lotion and is not working for you, go for this particular lotion. And if you're using it, use it with a lightening soap or a toning soap. Get a toning soap. Use it with a toning soap, a soap that will moisturize your skin, tone your skin. Another thing you need to know is that this lotion comes in 2 different forms. It has the cup, that's the cream, and the lotion. So whichever one you can get, it is the same thing. Yes, you can get the cup, you cream, you can get the lotion cream. It is very good. So this is how to apply this lotion. Apply it gently after having your bath, massage it on your skin, and that's all. To get a glowing and the maximum result, get whichever one you want, both the lotion or the cream, and you will get a good healthy looking skin. And this lotion can be used for fair and caramel skin. Yes, if you like a complexion, please, you can't use this lotion because it is a whitening product. Yes, only if you have a hard skin like cream hardly work on your skin, then this lotion is for you. But if you're having a sensitive skin and you're dark in complexion, please, you can't use this particular lotion because it might whiten your skin. You might get fair. So if you're fair or caramel skin, this lotion is perfectly for you. Then this is a body and hand lotion which is safer, no knuckles, no green vein on your skin. So you can use this body lotion as a hand cream as well. So it is a hand cream whereby it moisturizes your skin very well and your hands very well. So if you're having dark spots, if you're having knuckles on your hands or your feet, this lotion is your go-to because it will moisturize, it will unify your complexion at once. If you're having white spots on your skin, this lotion is your go-to.